If you're over 50, your body is at a turning point. It can either slide into stiffness and fatigue, or it can thrive with energy and strength. The difference? It's all about what you do every single day. And here's the kicker. You don't need fancy gym gear or marathon workouts to turn things around. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple movements that can reshape your body, recharge your vitality, and make you feel years younger. So stick around, because these powerful exercises could completely change how you age. Let's get started. Number 1. Push-ups. The classic push-up isn't just for ripped 20-somethings flexing at the gym. This move is a total upper body powerhouse. It fires up your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core, all in one go. More muscle mass revs up your metabolism, so you're torching fat even when you're chilling on the couch. Plus, push-ups are a secret weapon for your bones. Studies show they boost bone density, which is huge for dodging osteoporosis as we age. Here's a cool fact most people don't know. Research from Harvard found that people who can crank out more push-ups have a lower risk of heart issues after 50. Keeping this move in your routine helps you hold on to precious muscle, supports your joints, and keeps your engine running smoothly. Here's how to do push-ups. Place your hands just wider than your shoulders, lower your chest slowly and steadily. Think controlled, not rushed, then push back up with power. Too tough? No sweat. Start on your knees or lean into a wall. Do a few every day, and you'll be amazed at how strong you get.
Come on and hurry. Order now.